In this video, we are learning about molecular mass. Molecular mass of a substance is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. So we need to make sure we take all the atoms into consideration. So we just need to add up the atomic masses. We get the molecular mass for one molecule. For example, if we want to calculate molecular mass of HNO3, we need to add up the atomic mass of hydrogen, nitrogen, and 3 oxygen atoms. So we need to consider that 3. That 3 indicates that we have 3 oxygen atoms in one molecule. So atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, nitrogen is 14, and each oxygen atom is 16. So the molecular mass of HNO3, that is nitric acid, will be atomic mass of hydrogen plus atomic mass of nitrogen plus 3 into atomic mass of oxygen, because we have 3 atoms of oxygen. So the molecular mass of nitric acid will be 63 U. U is the units for molecular mass. Formula unit mass. The calculation of formula unit mass is the same as we calculate molecular mass. Only the term is different. Now, why is the term different? Term is different because when we have ionic compounds, we have many ions which are tightly packed. We don't have individual molecules. We have many ions present together. Now, here you're seeing the example of NaCl. All the purple circles, what you see, that is Na plus ion, and the green circles, what you're seeing here, are Cl minus ions. So NaCl does not exist as individual molecules. You have many Na plus ions and many Cl minus ions which are tightly packed together to form a structure, to form a lattice crystal. So what we do is we take the simplest ratio of the ions, and we take it as the formula. So formula of NaCl, we cannot count all the Na plus ions, we cannot count all the Cl minus ions to write the exact formula. Excuse me. So what we do is we take the simplest ratio between these two ions, between Na plus and Cl minus ions, and that becomes our formula for the compound. That's why it is referred to as formula unit. As I said earlier, the calculation part remains the same. So if you have a formula unit, you just add up the atomic masses of all the atoms present in that formula unit to get the formula unit mass. For example, if you have NaCl, we need to add up the atomic mass of sodium, we need to add up the atomic mass of chlorine to get the formula unit mass of sodium. So sodium's atomic mass is 23, chlorine is 35.5. So when we add it up, it is 58.5 U. Can you calculate molecular mass of CH4 and formula unit mass of CaCl2? Atomic mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, calcium is 40U, and chlorine, as we saw just now, it is 35.5 U. So these are the atomic masses. Calculate the molecular mass of methane and formula unit mass of calcium chloride and put your answers in the comments. Thank you.